Hello everybody, this is Khushali. I'm a student appearing from IELTS, IDP Rajkot, and my score is 7.5 out of 9. I'm a physical therapist here in Rajkot, and I plan to move to the United Kingdom for my Masters in Advanced Physiotherapy in the University of Nottingham. My reason to choose the United Kingdom was very simple because it has the most amazing healthcare system in the world, the NHS. I would like to learn and grow, and the universities in UK also offer the cutting-edge research facilities that would nurture my passion for research in the profession. Proficiency in English while moving to any English-speaking countries like UK, Canada is a must because you got to communicate with people there. And I chose IDP to test my proficiency because it was a very easily accessible test center. It was just 10 minutes away from my home. I could book the test online very easily. It's a very simple procedure. IELTS is a very simple test. It's just another language test. You do not have to stress much about it. They only test your basic proficiencies like your fluency, your vocabulary, your pronunciation. Me being a speaker from childhood, it was very easy for me and I didn't have to prepare much about the test. But for people who are looking out for tips on how to start to get in touch with the language, I would recommend you to watch a lot of movies, read a lot of novels, newspapers. The basic thing that they test in IELTS is if you're easily able to communicate in an understandable way. It does not require very deep or big pronunciations and vocabulary. Also provides you with a mock test book before you appear for the exam. So as soon as you book your exam, you will be provided with a book in which there are multiple mock tests that you can take just to judge where you stand and what you need to focus on, what component you're weak at, what component is your strength. So it makes it easier for you to practice about the test. For listening, I would like you to really focus because you get to listen to the audio only once. So you have to be very conscious. You have to keep in track with the questions. If you miss out anything, I would recommend for you to skip it, leave it for that while. Move to the next question, stay in track. Focus on everything that they're saying. For the speaking, I would recommend for you to not hesitate. You can just go on to speak like you would speak to your friends or family. They obviously, us being Indians, we're going to have a little bit pronunciation differences. They do not expect you to pronounce them exactly as the native speakers. That is all right. Don't hesitate. Just be natural. My final advice would be that they have a scorecard. So they expect these qualities to be in this score. So if you're 8, they expect a certain amount of qualities. So they have them written in the scorecard. You can go through it so that you know where to focus on, what you're lacking, and you can be better prepared for the test. So you know exactly what they would be expecting in the test. And really take the mock tests because they're very useful. You can assess yourself, judge yourself. They give you a book, so you can just keep taking the mock test again, like prepare, take the mock test, prepare, take a mock test. So you know where you're improving or what areas you need to focus on because the mock tests are really helpful.